Hi, this is Michael with Paul Davis of Broward in North Miami. I've been here for about 3, 4 months now. I started June 1st. What else? And I'm the mold manager here. Paul Davis is a great company. You know, I used to do restoration at other companies, and this one is just like a big family to me. And you know, everybody cares. Everybody's very humble, and you know, we make jokes and stuff, and it's like a brotherhood. I love video games. I play soccer. I have a 7-year-old son, which is my life. So you know, I try to do as much things as I can with him, and you know, just enjoy everything. I look forward to you know, working here for quite some time. It's a great company. I love it, and you know, I look forward to the next year, what next year brings, and the future.